Okay. So Mike is pulling up the conduit that goes to the sensor to the digester. Tells us how deep the ooh man. Seems like it might need a little bit of cleaning. Taking the old level sensor off. Quite flexibility in it.
So this is a submersible pressure transducer. What this says, it references the difference in pressure on this diaphragm. So it's the pressure of the water against the pressure of atmospheric pressure in this tube. So this side is atmosphere, this side is the pressure of the water, and the transducer measures that difference. That converts pressure into height of a column of water. So this is how we find out how deep the water is, by measuring the pressure of the water relative to atmospheric pressure.
Okay.
So that's why we have to have this tube.
Okay.
And this tube is protected with a desiccant to keep moisture from going back down inside it. The reason why this one failed is the desiccant ultimately failed and moisture got back down in here, and so now there's water on the other side of the diaphragm causing it to read incorrectly.
Okay, so that extra moisture getting into that tube, does that add weight?
It adds weight. So now the weight of the water against the weight of a little column of water on this side will make it look like it's not as deep of water. So it'll make the differential pressure lower. So over time, that water will build up in that tube, and eventually the pressure transducer won't read any difference anymore.